Hello, hi everybody. This is the teacher Prerna. So today I'm going to explain, are the lone pairs of nitrogen and pyridine is involved in the resonance? Because so many times in the exam the question being asked on the order of the acidic character and basic character. Basic character of amines are very important, and most of the time students get confused in that and they are not able to predict the correct order. So today I'm going to help you in that. So first of all, if the lone pair is not involved in resonance, it means it is called localized. It means the compound will be more basic. If the lone pair is involved in the resonance, because it is already involved in the resonance, it means it is delocalized, it will be lesser basic. Okay, so see here we have the lone pair, here we have the lone pair on the nitrogen. So which compound? It is a pyridine, this is pyridine, and this is your pyrrole. So if the question will ask that which compound is more basic, if the question being asked which compound will be more basic, pyridine or pyrrole, then what would be the answer? So here there is no doubt that lone pair is involved in the resonance. Yes, it means this lone pair is delocalized, right? And I am pretty sure that you guys will not even think for a second and show the resonance, and you will show the resonance in this compound also like this, and you will say that in pyridine also lone pairs are involved in the resonance, right? But that is not true. Yes, but that is absolutely not true. Let me show one diagram here, and will explain you very clearly. See, assume you have a benzene here, right? In benzene, every carbon is doubly bonded and they have unhybridized p orbital. Those p orbitals are present in the same plane, right? This ring and the p orbitals are perpendicular to each other. All these p orbitals are in the same plane and they will overlap and form a pi bond. Yes? Okay. Now I will draw Now I will draw the pyridine structure. In pyridine, what we used to do, we will replace one carbon with nitrogen. We will replace one carbon with nitrogen, and the p orbital on each carbon and n orbit and p orbital of nitrogen will be like this. All these p orbital in one plane and they will overlap and will form a pi bond, right? But the p orbital which has the lone pair, it is like this. Can you see this? Let me draw here you will get the clarity. It is a plane, right? And the rest of the p orbitals are perpendicular to it, but the p orbital which contains the lone pair is in the same plane. It means what? If we have two p orbitals like this, will they overlap? Will they overlap? No, not at all. The p orbital should be parallel to each other to have the overlapping and to form a pi bond or for exchange. But here the lone pair containing p orbital is perpendicular to the p orbitals of the rest of the atoms in the ring, right? So it means that the answer here is no. Lone pairs of nitrogen and pyridine is not at all involved in the resonance. These lone pairs are these lone pairs are localized. Okay. So if the question will come, among pyridine and pyrrole, which compound is more basic? So answer should be pyridine, because the lone pair in pyridine is not involved in the resonance. It is a localized lone pair, and it is delocalized lone pair. Yes? Okay. So will you guys remember this thing that no, lone pair, actually it should be is, right? Is lone pair of nitrogen of in pyridine is involved in resonance? No, not at all. Okay. So hope you guys have understood. Based on that, you have to solve the question of basic character in amines. Fine. Thank you very much.